name is Parker, and my cool trick is baking special birthday cakes. So let's bake. First, we put this special cake mix into the bowl. Then the milk. And then the eggs. And mix it all together. Once it's all mixed, we pour this cake batter into this cake pan. There we go. Now it's ready to go into the oven. But be careful, it's hot. Now we'll wait a few minutes and, wow, the cake's done. This is the cake. Next, we need to decorate it. Okay, here's my special cake for Broby's birthday.
Cool tricks, cool tricks!
My name is Parker, and my cool trick is making special birthday cakes.
Cool tricks! Yeah!